Hello guys, I'm not sure why one eyebrow looks so much darker. I'm gonna fix this, but I started one eye off camera, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm doing the Aaliyah Try Again look. So disclaimer, eyeshadow is not my thing, so this might look a little crazy, but we're gonna work with it. So the two palettes that I've been using, itsmyrayeraye. This is the second palette she literally just released a couple months ago, and you're gonna notice I use this palette quite a bit, and it actually just, I don't know what happened in my bag, but the bottom row got messed up. But these are her two palettes, and these are the only two palettes that I use. I absolutely love them, and I don't even really know eyeshadow, but I know that these are good. So anyway, I'm not gonna rant on. I'm gonna just show you what I did up to this eye. Hopefully it comes out similar. I'm gonna fix up the edges. I'm gonna try to make this wing out more. I'm struggling a bit, but we're not giving up. And excuse my bonnet, I'm just covering my hair until the reveal later. So let's get started. Alright.
Nice to have at parties.
So my hair looks crazy, but I'm not putting more heat on it, so I'm just going to show you what I'm gonna do.
It's why we partner with sustainable farmers to find the finest herbs and spices.
So I'm gonna put my edge stick, and that's all that's really messed up is the edges. So
which we promise it will.
I'm in a tough spot. The 2 new DQ Reese's Lovers Blizzard treats come in chocolate lovers and peanut butter lovers. What's a Reese's Loving Merman to do?
Edge control
Either way,
on my edges where it's curly. This is edge gel, so these bad boys aren't going nowhere. I'm using my spoon. Of course, I'm gonna clean it.
Looks like someone just started his lifelong journey to the Hall of
I
Fame.
do lashes, so I have tons of spoons, but I just keep using this one that I actually use on my face. And I have to keep washing
The
it.
company who invented car vending machines and buying a car 100% online now has created a brand new way for you to sell your car. Whether it's a year-old or a 2-year-old, we want to buy your car.
I did, like, this is how I do my heatless curls. So I just make a twist, and then I twist it up in a bun, and hope for the best. It usually works, but I think I'd have to leave it in overnight, but it's good enough. I'm gonna tuck this behind my ear. And as you can see on this side, I have blonde, so I'm gonna try to take some eyeshadow. Oh, this side worked a little bit. It was starting to work, but I took it down too quick. So for this side, I'm gonna use black eyeshadow.
It's our network.
Oh, let me try the lip gloss.
It's time to switch to Boost. You get 4 lines for $100 a month on a super fast network that keeps you connected.
Yeah, I can use this. I thought it was gonna be more. Ooh, it smells so good.
Holy shirt.
It smells so good. It smells like,
Switch to Boost.
what is this? Like French toast.
For $100 a month. Plus, get 4 free LG Style 4 phones. All on Boost super reliable, super fast nationwide network.
I'm gonna use black eyeshadow.
See if my endometriosis pain
Hopefully it works.
better. Or I can
Over my
just suck it up.
blonde to cover it.
I can tell myself
I just did this for my birthday, so
or I can talk to my gynecologist
you
today.
can't even tell that it's all
You didn't
messed up.
choose to have endometriosis, but you
control.
can choose to ask if Oralissa is right
See
for
the
you.
lights.
Oralissa is specifically developed for women with moderate to severe
I don't know if this is gonna actually work.
In clinical trials,
I'm going to
Oralissa
try.
was proven to reduce 3 common types of endometriosis pain: painful periods, pelvic pain in between periods, and pain with sex.
My mom has a spray. She still has, I don't know, she still has it. So I'm
severe
just
liver
gonna try
disease,
this.
or taking drugs like cyclosporin or gemfibrozil. It may cause abnormal liver tests. Oralissa may change your periods, making it hard to know if you are pregnant. It does not prevent pregnancy. Use birth control that does not contain hormones. Oralissa may cause suicidal thoughts or
Actually, I don't even need to do that because I can hide it.
Ask your gynecologist if Oralissa is right for you. Oralissa,
The hair.
end of pain.
So what's I'm gonna do?
Powerful. Influential. Unstoppable. The right
think
tech
I'm
can help
all
you move the
set.
world and create your own lane.
This is what I have.
The Nissan
I hope you guys enjoyed
You not only move the world, you can make moves for your future.
the tutorial. I know it was a little bit all over the place,
Impossibly smart.
but I hope you laughed. If you like what you see, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. I have a few other videos. If there's anything you want to see, please feel free to leave a comment, and I'll definitely try to put that content out there for you. And I definitely am working on, my summer goal is to be more consistent, so at least 2 videos a month. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.